Hey guys, and welcome back to another video here with Angel B Designs. If you are new, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. What we're going to do today is we are going to try out the sublimation items from Michaels. So I literally walked into my local Michaels store and I picked up sublimation paper and sublimation mugs. I do have two of them. But I just walked right into my my local Michaels and I picked up this sublimation paper and I picked up this sublimation coffee mug. So we are going to try it out today and see the type of result that we get. As far as the pricing goes, I would say that I wouldn't rely on Michaels. Like if you're doing large orders, I wouldn't necessarily rely on the Michaels brand or the Michaels items to get you through effectively like a large order. But let's say you have an order, maybe you're doing an order of 10 mugs and you literally messed up one mug and you're out of mugs and you just need to literally run somewhere to get a coffee mug. Michaels may be able to be your saving grace. Okay, so we're gonna see how these work out, because that's literally what I would use them for, is if, like, again, I am out of mugs, I have an order, I mess one up, or I'm short one and I literally just need to run to the store to get one coffee mug and that's it. We're gonna see if these work. Okay, we're gonna see if this paper works. Maybe you ran out of paper and you don't have time to wait for a sub to come from Amazon. We're gonna see if this works, because you do get 100 sheets in this box. So we're gonna see if it works, okay? Because who knows, Michaels can be the emergency store run when you need it. But if you wanna see how this works out, go ahead and stick around. Alright guys, so I am over here at my craft table and we are going to go ahead and press this mug and see what happens. But I just kind of wanted to briefly talk about the sublimation paper. So it does say it's the Sawgrass True Picks brand, so it's not like a Michaels brand. It is a Sawgrass True Picks sublimation paper. These are 8.5 by 11. I didn't see anything bigger than the 8.5 by 11. I don't know if Michaels does sell something bigger, but in my local Michaels, all they had was 8.5 by 11, and you do get 100 sheets. With this sublimation paper, obviously you have your two sides. The problem is, like with A-sub paper, it says A-sub on it, so you can tell which is the front and which is the back. Okay, with this paper, there's literally nothing on it. There is a slight difference, okay, and I think I'm printing on the right side. Okay, so this side to me looks more of an off-white color, and this side to me looks more of a true white color. The tint on this side is like a hair darker than this side. So I feel like, because this side is whiter, this is the side you're supposed to print on. Now again, I could be wrong, but I feel like this is the side I'm supposed to print on, because this side is whiter than this side. This side is a little bit darker, kind of like an ivory off-white color, whereas this is more of a true white side. And you literally have to like kind of examine it to really see it for real. So just be careful with that. Make sure you're printing on the right side if you're going to use this paper. Okay, other than that, I have my image printed out here. It's a picture of me and my babies. But we're going to go ahead and get this wrapped. I am going to be using the Qriket Mug Press today. And I'm just trimming off the excess white here, so we can go ahead and get it wrapped. All right. It does have a sticker on it, so you just want to make sure you take that off. And it comes off fairly easy. All right. So what I'm going to do is I am just going to completely wrap this and make sure it's nice and tight, and then I'm going to secure it with some heat tape. I did get my heat tape from Amazon. All of my Materials will be linked down below, except for the mug and the sublimation paper, because again I got those from Michaels. But the tape, the Qriket Mug Press, everything else will be linked down below if you need some heat tape. Because with the Qriket Mug Press, it does apply a decent amount of pressure when you put it inside of the press. I'm not gonna go super crazy with the tape. Okay, this is my Qriket Mug Press. If you've never seen one before, for somebody like me who is a small crafter, I don't take orders on my crafts. I literally just craft for myself and friends and family, things like that. So a Qriket Mug Press is good enough for me because I don't do mugs that often, and if I do, I'm only doing a couple. I'm not doing a huge order, but I do really love this Qriket Mug Press. The preset, so you just literally put this mug press in there, you close the top, and then the Qriket Mug Press will beep to let you know that it started. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 5 dots up here. When all 5 dots have lit up to be white, the Qriket Mug Press starts to beep again to let you know that your mug is ready. Okay, so it's so super beginner friendly, super easy. I love it. Now, if you do mugs by the 10s, the 20s, the 50s, this may not work for you just because you can only do one at a time. Okay, a convection oven or something bigger may be more time efficient for you. Okay, so we're literally just going to slide this in there like so, like that, and we're gonna close it. Okay, it's gonna do its thing for about 5 minutes. We are gonna come back when it's all done, and we're gonna unwrap it together and see how it turned out. All right, you guys, so the Qriket Mug Press is beeping now. All 5 lights are blinking, so it's letting me know to take my tumbler out. So we're just going to lift this up and pull it out, and here it is. Now it is super hot, so I do not want to touch it, and I don't have my gloves. I'm going to turn this off. I'm going to go grab my gloves. I'm just going to set this here so I can take the tape off. When you take the mug out of the mug press, the handle isn't hot, but the actual mug is flaming hot, so keep that in mind. All right, so I'm gonna slide this out the way, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and remove my tape. Okay, Michaels. So here is the mug. That is super, super cute. Let me turn this down so you can see it better, a little bit better. I don't know. Hopefully y'all can see it. That is super cute, super, super vibrant still. Okay, Michaels, look at you. Look at you. And then this is the, I did this one for TikTok. Super vibrant, okay? So, I would definitely say that Michaels mugs are a hit, as well as the paper. In terms of, are they effective? Like, are you going to get the colors that you need to finish your project if you have to run out and grab one, right? So if you have to run out to Michael's to grab a mug, I would say you are safe to do so. Look at the color. That's super vibrant. Okay, and then here's the other one. This one's still hot. I'm trying not to burn myself. All right, super cute. But like I said, I wouldn't rely on Michaels solely. I would, if you do big bulk orders, I would still suggest that you maybe do a buy-in, or maybe that you purchase them from somewhere else. They're going to be more cost effective. However, if you just need one or a couple, or you just need one pack of sublimation paper because you ran out and you don't have time to wait on the mail, I would definitely say Michaels is a go. They do have a few other sublimation items as well there. I just wanted to try out these mugs. But yeah, they were definitely I say yes on Michaels. All right, well, that is all I have for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and join my Facebook group. But that's all I have for today. Until the next one. Bye, guys.